Welcome back, devs. Today we are diving into the captivating world of Kinetic CSS Loaders. Join me as we explore how these animations go beyond loading screens, creating seamless and captivating user experience. Stick around for insight that will transform your perception of web design. Starting really from scratch, we have here our index and CSS. So let's have our boilerplate and give it a title, okay? Now here in the title, let's say Kinetic Loader, all right? This is the name of the project. And you also need a link, connect our markup to our CSS. So link, as you can see, I'm using Emmet here, and yeah. The markup itself is quite simple. All we need is one line here. It's going to be a div where we're going to put the triangles inside of it. We are now in the realm of CSS where part of the magic happens, okay? Let's start with the CSS reset. Box sizing is going to be border box. See this background color hexadecimal 1ABC90C. It's like choosing a color for a painting here. It's a lovely shade of greenish blue. And guess what? You can switch it up to any color you like by changing this color. Now display flex and justify content center. Think of this as instructions for arrange items neatly on the canvas of the web page. Next up, height 100 VH. This sets the height of the web page to fill the entire screen. Lastly, overflow hidden and margin 0 are like the final touch that keep things looking sleek and tidy. Okay, it looks like I did a mistake here. It's a typo, a serious one. Okay, so let me fix that. And here is gonna be kinetic. Okay, and now let's move to it. Height here. Let's start with the position relative. Let the groundwork allow elements to move based on their own position. Height 80 and width 80 pixels. This line defines the size of the element. It's like giving a specific dimension on the screen. Alright, and now let's grab the kinetic. Okay, let's use the pseudo class after and also before. Okay, and in here, as always for the content, set the content of this element as empty, act as a base for what's to come. Okay, the position absolute. This line position the element precisely, allowing them to be placed wherever is specified on the web page. With 0, height 0, this line initially set the element size to 0, preparing them for the shape of transformation. Border is going to be here 50 pixels, solid and transparent. This creates an invisible box around the elements, ready to be shaped into something cool. Okay, and now the magic. Okay, body bottom color hexadecimal E74C3C, and here comes the magic, like adding color to the borders, create a striking bottom edge. Okay, let me just save it here. I did a mistake. Okay, now we can see it. We already have our first triangle. Actually, we have two of them, but they are in the same position, so it looks like we have just one, but we have two of them. Let me make it bigger so you can see. And yeah, next step is gonna give movement to them. Let me very quickly just show you how nice it is. You can do whatever you want, like this one, for example, looks like an hourglass. Okay, but that's not what we want. So let's go back to our original position and keep work on that. As you can see, this is not in the middle of the page. Use just along the main X. Now along the cross X with a line center. Okay, and another thing here, let's grab this one Paste it down here is quickly. Kinetic before transform 9 degrees is the start here. It rotates the element by 9 degrees, adding a cool spin. Alright? We got keyframes. Let's call that rotate A. Okay, we're gonna have another one. And here at 0 and 25%, we start with the general rotation of 0 degrees, setting the stage. Okay. We're gonna type it here. Transform translate, rotate 0 degrees. Nice. Then at 50% and 75%, we cap it up with a 100-degree spin, adding a drastic twist. Alright. Finally, at 100%, it completes a full circle with a 360 degrees rotation, closing the performance. Let's go up here and take care of the animation. Okay, animation, then the name of animation, rotate A, is like saying, hey element, time to spin. It's gonna be 2 seconds. The duration, make sure our rotation unfolds with 2 seconds span, linear and infinite. And let's see, 0.5 seconds. And yeah, we have this nice effect already for just one triangle. Next, let's work on the second one. Alright, now let's take care of the keyframes rotate B. You order to do that, let's just duplicate this one and make a couple of changes, okay? Alright, let's change it here, it's rotate B. And let's change here to 9 degrees. You can work with your numbers to 70 degrees. And here 450 degrees ends the performance with flare. Okay, so that was easy. Alright, now like we did with the rotate A, we're gonna deal with the rotate B with the animation. Okay, it's gonna be on this one to before. Let's have here animation. Then the name of the animation, 2 seconds is the tempo. It's also gonna be linear and like the first one, infinite. And as you can see, we have it. Congratulations, you did it. We have just nice Kinect effect and you can use at your website and everything that requires a loading. So it's nice. So it's done. If you like it, subscribe for more. Bye bye. See you in the next one.